We are here by Rock Fort, a landmark in Trichy East in Tiruchirappalli district. That is not just geographically centrally located in Tamil Nadu, but very often described as the political capital of the state because the mood here is seen to reflect in the rest of the state. Very often, leaders like MGR hold very important political rallies here. Trichy East has come under intense watch this time round also because TVK chief and actor politician Mr. Joseph Vijay is contesting from here, one of the two seats in which he is contesting. And that also reflects why he is contesting here because as you can see, there is a temple there on top and at the bottom of the rock, there is a Gothic style church. So history as well as religion layered here, and with about 25% of the population said to be from the minority groups, Christians as well as Muslims. That's the reason he's said to have chosen this place, other than the fact that it is totally urban. It is has a youth demographic, quite a huge youth demographic, and his competition here is these both. One is Inigo Rudayaraj, who is the DMK candidate, and he is someone who is the sitting MLA from here. And then you have the NDA, AIADMK led NDA candidate, Mr. Rajshekhar as well. But everyone, everywhere is talking about Vijay. Of course, Udayanidhi Stalin had come here and described them as the B team of the NDA, suggesting that if need be, Vijay would not hesitate to back the BJP, and he would be hoping that that would kind of won, in a sense, the Christian minorities as well. This constituency is surrounded by other very important constituencies as well. For instance, K. Nehru is contesting from Trichy West, and whether the influence of these strong leaders will hold Trichy East for the DMK, or will it be the sway of the TVK's Vijay that is going to influence the rest of the constituencies, and what is the AIADMK going to do? That is something that everyone is watching very, very keenly.